Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can stop the auto download option on WhatsApp. If you want to stop WhatsApp from automatically downloading media such as photos, videos, and audio files, you can adjust the setting to prevent it from happening. Here's the process how you can disable auto download on WhatsApp from your Android devices or iPhone devices. So, first step is that you have to launch the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Once you have launched your WhatsApp on your mobile device, you have to tap on the three vertical dots which is on the top right corner of the screen to open up the menu. Once you are here, you have to select the setting. Once you have selected the setting, here in the setting menu, you have to tap on the storage and data or data and storage uses depending on the version. So here you can see that. On the media auto download section, you will see the three options while using mobile data while connected on Wi-Fi or when roaming. So here you can see that. Here you can see that. After that, you have to tap on the ease of this option and uncheck the box for photos, audios, videos, and documentation if you don't want them to auto download. So here you can see that you have to just go for that and you have to just uncheck them and go for the OK option. It's like this. You have to just go for the all of this and just uncheck this box here. After adjusting the settings, simply exit the menu and the change will be saved automatically. So this way you can easily stop the auto download on your WhatsApp. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.